Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Drive. This is your host Vishwajit. In the last episode, we have seen how to fold the rear seats of Maruti Suzuki Brezza. Today, we will see how to unfold it. To rearrange the rear seats, you need to pull up the upper part and slightly push into the lock. Please note that seat belt might get into the way of the locking function of the seats and you will face the rattling noise during the travel. So please note the seat belt should not be engaged in the locking function of this seat. The slight push is needed every time. Now you have seat belts for the rear seats. So now you need to pull it out. The middle one is very important. Rearrange the buckles properly with the seat belt of middle. Then you have to just pull up the bottom part and slide it out and push it down a little bit. Bottom part of the seat is not having any locks, but it really get engaged during the passenger load. The excess seat belt can be sliding into the gap of upper and bottom part. Now we have the buckle of the seat belt and you have one slot near the door panel. An easy way to engage it. This will remove the noise made by this buckle. On the either ways we have the same slot. Now it's time to arrange the headrest. There are two holes in the upper part of the seat and just need to arrange it and slide it down. Please note that there is a button to push before sliding it down. And here our seat is ready to use once again, and we have full 5 passenger capacity in Suzuki Brezza. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from Smart Drive.